Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the 4G Solar V380 Pro single lens camera. Let's get started with the unboxing. Here is the camera itself. The batteries are already inside and it comes with 4 LED lights. Next, we have the accessory box. Inside you will find a bracket, washers, screws, a USB adapter and a charging cable. Finally, we have the solar panel which charges the battery in the camera. To test the camera, we need a SIM card, a screwdriver, a mobile phone, and a memory card. Here's the barcode you will need to connect it. Let's take a closer look at the camera. It can rotate 315 degrees, giving you a wide viewing range. Once you open this cap, you will see the reset button, a memory card port, and a SIM card port. To insert the SIM card, push it gently using a screwdriver or a card ejector tool. This is the power button. Let me switch it on for you. You will notice a red light blinking. This indicates it's powering up. When the light changes to orange, the camera is online and ready to use. Next, open the V380 Pro app. You can download it from the Play Store or App Store. Here's how to add the camera to the app. Click the plus sign to add a device. Select Add Camera. Scan the barcode on the camera or type in the camera ID. Click Add Device and save the barcode for future use. You also need to create a password for your camera, and just like that, we are ready to view the footage. To adjust the camera's position, use the PTZ control on the app. Simply press the arrow to move or tilt the camera as needed. Watch as it rotates smoothly. This camera has a 10 times zoom feature, so you can get a closer look at any detail. Some additional features include two-way audio. You can speak through your phone and hear the response from the camera.
Hello.
Alarm settings. Trigger an alarm remotely for security.
Caution, you are under surveillance. Caution, you are under surveillance.
Remote light control. Turn the camera lights on or off from the app. Snapshots. Take pictures with the snapshot button. Recording. Record videos by clicking the recording option. Playback. View your recorded footage easily. Sound monitoring. Tap the speaker icon to hear the sound around the camera.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
I want to see someone.
View inversion. Adjust the view orientation to suit your setup. And there you have it, the unboxing setup and features of the 4G Solar V380 Pro single lens camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.